Yeah, so when I joined, my goal first and foremost was to replace the income I was on at the time from my apprenticeship. Then I had different stages of goals. That was in the first 3 months. Then my second goal was 6-month target to replace what my income would have been when I'd qualified. And then the final goal was 10,000 a month, and that was like a 12-month goal. The best thing about Kenny for me, the way he helps is, the longest you're ever waiting for a reply is like half an hour to an hour, which is so helpful. You need an answer quickly. Like if you're ready to do a deal, you need your answers. So it's the speed of response, quick answers. I think the most helpful thing he's taught me is how to stack up the deals so you financially know what's going to work, what won't work, and eventually you just know just by looking straight away the area, the price, you know if it'll work or not. It's such a good way of calculating the deals. To secure my first deal, it took pretty much 2 months on the dot, but it was 2 deals in one. So I got 2 deals in 2 months and then another one a couple of weeks after that. So roughly 3 in 3 months. I've secured 3 deals so far since joining. I joined 12th of November. So yeah, about 3 months. Anyone thinking of joining, I'd definitely recommend. Even just the confidence it gives you to go out and try and secure the deals, the knowledge that you gain really you couldn't do it without the training. And Kenny is really helpful in the training. He's so personable, so he's definitely a good option to go for.